The days when your local library only had books and newspapers are gone. In today's library, it's possible to learn 3D printing and actually make something.
This was one of our 3D printing classes here at Siena Branch. We have one once a month, and they are all project-based, so every time you come, it will be a different project that we design. In today's project, we designed whistles, very, very loud whistles.
If you're a software novice, you might be a little intimidated by the design program, but come on, it's called Tinkercad. And just like Tinker Toys, it has the pieces to make it easier.
So the nice thing about Tinkercad is that it is very forgiving for beginners. So everyone, no matter what their level, is welcome to attend. We do mark the ones that are advanced or intermediate that you might want to avoid, or just come prepared to ask a lot of questions. Probably intermediate to beginner. There's only one really tricky part in making the whistle. That is aligning the whistle hole, the little angle part. I don't know the technical term for whistle parts. There's 3 of us who do programs here at Siena, so every month is a different person. So Ulysses will be next month, and he is doing a cell phone holder. We've done a cell phone stand before that was like a little tiny turtle. He's making one that is not animal-shaped. Sadly.
Okay.
So I have been involved in the maker movement for 15-20 years. So about 10 years ago, when 3D printers started to get somewhat affordable, and by somewhat affordable I mean under $1,000. Now you can get a really nice one for about $250. And so I bought one for myself at home, and I started using it, and I saw that libraries were using them. So I talked to our administration about how it would be helpful if we had them in the library. So they started adding them into the libraries in 2016. And there's a lot of them that have it now. It's like more of our branches have them than don't have them. So George, Cinco, Fulshire, Mission Bend, Missouri City, Siena, and Stafford. Don't ask me to do that again. It was one of the 3D models that came with my printer that you could print, and there was a whistle, an iPhone case, and a spork, I think, and I had no interest in an iPhone case or a spork. So I made a whistle and annoyed the crap out of my partner. The second thing I think I made was a Pikachu.
For Great American Pastimes, this is Randall Williams.